Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add multiple photo in Photopea. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea document. In this video, I will show add multiple photo. Now going to the file one option, then click. Now click from open and replace and place option. Now select from multiple file. Now click for open option. Now you can see, then you show the open picture. Now select from first layer and keyboard press from shift and click from last layer. Then you can see now side by side the in multiple photo in Photopea document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.